Welcome to this week's episode of Your Stock Request for the 21st of May. Hi, I'm Michael Gable, Managing Director of Fairmont Equities. Your Stock Request is the weekly video where I take your requests and analyse the share price charts. So this week we have CSL, Qantas, Dacian Gold, Tassel Group and Ordinate. So if you have a request, send it through. Make sure you've signed up to the free newsletter. If you enjoy these videos, we'd like you to share them on social media and even leave us a review on Facebook or Google. Remember, if you need extra help than these videos or even our research, then please let us know. We can help you manage your portfolio. And finally, just remember, any advice here is general only. So with CSL, obviously long term it's been a fantastic performer, and this is one of the few stocks that I didn't sell at the end of February for my clients. We held on to this one. It's holding up really well. Unlike other defensives, it's it has the earnings growth to continue higher in the longer term at a decent rate. So at the moment it's just consolidating here, just under the old high. So it's got close to its all-time high, come off a bit, but hasn't been sold off heavily. So I think it's just consolidating here while some more beaten up stocks get a bit of a move on. But longer term, this is just a consolidation, and I expect it to continue the uptrend again. So Qantas, so that nice rally end of March, sort of early April, it sort of stopped short for now. It's not looking negative in my opinion. I think it's just consolidating here. So nice move, consolidation. Now what we need to look for is just a break out of the range. So it's obviously range bound. I mean, until then it's fine as a hold. I think a break here would be a negative, and of course the next buy trigger would be a break of this resistance line here. At the moment I'm favouring a break to the upside, but we just have to wait and see. Dacian, so this has been progressing well since those lows in April. Been making higher lows, higher highs. Volume is coming in pretty well. So far so good. The only thing I'd just bear in mind is that compared to other gold miners, it's clearly underperformed over time. So in the long term, you're probably better off in something else. You're better off in a stronger performer, not something that's, I guess, dragging the chain like this one. Tassel Group. So I think this chart looks very interesting actually. So again, nice sort of rally end of March, early April, and then it's been consolidating that rally, and the range has been tightening, which is why I find it quite interesting. So it's looking like it's trying to break out of that range. Ideally I'd like to see it push through this this sort of $4 line of resistance, but tightening range leads to often leads to an explosive move. So an upside break, especially a close above $4, could see a further rally in Tassel. And finally, Ordinate. Obviously massive ranges in the last few months, huge drop and then a huge bounce. It's starting to settle down, which is good. I think there's an obvious resistance line here around 650. And basically we've got this again sort of tightening range in the form of an ascending triangle. So look, it's too early. I think clearly if it breaks through 650, closes above that, that's your buy signal. It should go for a run. So definitely one to keep an eye on for an upside break, but I think it's too early to pick it up here just in case it does find a lot of selling and rollover. Okay, well that's all for this week. If you have a request, send it through. I'll try to include yours next week for you.